Okay, so we got it set up. Basically, our cord is plugged in. Then there we go. A little bit of a bigger piece. And then if you got a piece stuck, and then all those branches get reduced to that mulch. And then that's what it gets reduced to. So some of the finer ones don't get chopped up so well, but there you go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Wall Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.